Most people think that discipline starts in the gym. They're wrong. It starts with something simpler. Did you know? One of the reasons most people never change their lives is because they're waiting for a big moment, a big opportunity, a big breakthrough, a big transformation. Pero ang totoo, hindi naman dun sa mga bagay na yun nababago yung buhay mo. Hindi magbabago yung buhay mo sa isang malaking bagay na nagawa mo ng isang beses. It's changed by the small things you do every day. Hi, I'm Tux, and this is my journey of becoming the best version of myself. So what is up guys, I'm Tux and this is day 6 of becoming the best version of myself. And ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, bakit nga ba napaka-importante ng mga simpleng bagay? Yung mga simpleng bagay na akala natin ay simple lang or walang ambag sa atin, mas malaki pala yung ambag sa buhay natin. So yun, bago ang lahat, timpla muna tayo ng kape kasi hindi ako kumikilos ng walang kape. Kaya, let's go. So, labas natin yung pinaka-paborito nating tumbler. Today, I didn't do anything extraordinary. Hindi ako yumaman, hindi ako naging viral, at lalong hindi ko na-achieve yung biggest goal ko. I simply folded my clothes, and then I cleaned the house. So, bago ang lahat, sip muna tayo ng kape. While folding my clothes, I realized something. Karamihan sa atin gusto na magandang buhay. Napaka-importante ng pagtutupi. Kasi, hindi lang nito binibuild yung discipline natin, tinuturuan din tayo nito maging patience. People want a better body, more money, more success, but they ignore the small things that builds those results. Because, let's be honest, folding clothes isn't exciting. Karamihan sa atin ayaw magtupi kasi ang boring niya. Walang excitement. Ayaw ko magtupi ng damit. Pero ginagawa ko pa rin. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na ito yung isang bagay na makakatulong sa akin. Boring kasi talaga ng pagtutupi. Nobody's going to clap for you. Nobody's going to cheer you up. Pero that's exactly why it matters. Most people, iba yung pagkakaintindi nila sa sa pag-practice ng discipline. Most people, tingin nila yung pagiging discipline is about exercise. Well, tama naman. Pero hindi lang naman sa exercise na natatapos yung pag-practice ng discipline. Pwede rin sa mga maliliit at simpleng mga bagay. Discipline isn't about doing what's exciting. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when nobody is watching. Every shirt I folded, every piece of clothing I put away, it wasn't about keeping my room organized. It was about keeping a promise to myself. A promise that I won't leave things unfinished. A promise that I'll take care of the things I already have. Because if I can't be responsible with the small things in front of me, how can I expect myself to handle biggest opportunities in the future? The truth is, success is rarely built in big moments. It's built in small moments like these, the moments that seem insignificant, the moments that most people skip, the moments na kung saan you choose discipline over convenience. And little by little, those small actions start shaping who you become. Not overnight, not in a week, but day by day, habit by habit, choice by choice. You are building a person you want to become. So yun guys, tapos na tayo magtupi. Nagpalit din ako ng short kasi ang init. Tabi na natin to. Gaya nga ng paulit-ulit kong sinasabi, discipline is built on every small things you do. So, yung mga bagay na pinagagawa mo ngayon ay may malaking apekto sa future mo. As you can see, it's night. Maglilinis tayo kasi ang dumi. Cleaning the house. Again, nothing extraordinary. No awards, no recognition, just a broom, some dust, and work that needed to be done. And that's when I realized something. Your environment affects you more than you think. It's hard to have a clear mind when you're surrounded by clutter. It's hard to stay focused when everything around you feels chaotic. That's why cleaning isn't just about making a house look nice. It's about creating a space that helps you become your best self. Every sweep of the floor, every corner I cleaned, every little thing I put back in its place, I wasn't just cleaning a house. I was practicing responsibility. I was practicing discipline. I was proving to myself that I can take action even on the things that seem boring. Because the truth is, the habits that change your life are usually the habits nobody talks about. The simple habits, the boring habits, the habits that don't get likes, views, or attention. But they're the habits that build character. And character is what carries you when motivation disappears. So, while it may have looked like I was just cleaning the house, I was actually doing something much bigger. I was becoming the kind of person who takes ownership of his life, one task at a time, one habit at a time, one day at a time. Because at the end of the day, a better life isn't built by doing one big thing. It's built by doing small things well over and over again. So never underestimate the power of simple chores. The things that seem small today might be the very things shaping the person you'll become tomorrow.